ഭയപ്പെടരുത്. ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 22, 2026, the day of Nehru Trophy Boat Race 2026. The Nehru Trophy is not just a festival, it is the heartbeat of Kerala. So let us ask ourselves, is a boat race just a competition? No, it is history, unity, and economic growth woven together into one grand celebration. If you love stories that highlight Kerala's culture and traditions, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment below. Nehru Trophy Boat Race began in 1952. India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, witnessed the electrifying energy of the race at Punnamada Lake in Alappuzha. He was so moved that he personally awarded the trophy, thus making the beginning of what we now call the Nehru Trophy Boat Race. Today, it has grown into Kerala's biggest water festival, drawing visitors across the globe. A boat race is far more than a competition. Imagine 100 rowers moving in perfect rhythm on a single boat. It becomes a symbol of unity. Villages, families, the young and the old all come together. Training itself is a celebration, filled with folk songs, chants, and the community gatherings. It strengthens bonds that reminds us that collective effort is the true spirit of Kerala. Nehru Trophy Boat Race is also an important element in fueling Kerala's economy. Hotels, houseboats, and restaurants in Alappuzha see a surge in visitors. Tourists explore local cuisine, art, and handicrafts, boosting small businesses. Thousands of jobs are created during the season. Boat makers, rowers, event organizers, and guides. It elevates Kerala's brand of water tourism and showcases it to the world. This year, I was there, cheering for the participants, listening to the roar of the crowd, and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. For me, it is not just about watching a race, it's about being part of a living tradition. Boat races teach us one powerful lesson.
ഈ നെഹ്റു ട്രോഫി ജലോത്സവത്തിന് കാരണഭൂതനായ ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റുവിന്റെ ദീർഘകാല പ്രതിമയിൽ പുഷ്പാർച്ചന നടത്തുകയാണ് ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട കേരളത്തിന്റെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി.
You cannot win alone. Strength lies in unity. Now, in case if you are going to watch any boat race in the future, please remember, try the local food when you visit. Support local artists and craftsmen. Celebrate with friends and family because joy multiplies when shared. Follow safety guidelines. Festivals are fun, but safety matters. The Nehru Trophy Boat Race is history, unity, and economy flowing together like oars in rhythm. It is an experience everyone should witness at least once in their lifetime.